have any problem floating. Yeah.
We'll do it.
We'll do it. Gonna make it to Dallas, I think. Starting point. Yeah. Pretty much underwater. Channel's over there. Daniel will be here in a minute. We'll take off. Here we are. We're trying to make it to Inwood. Inwood down in Dallas. Got a truck parked there. I'm talking to my camera. Got a truck parked there. Oh, flooded over there. Way flooded over there, dude. These people got a bit used to it though, man. Watch out for the poison ivy. That's poison ivy right there. There's poison ivy all over this place. Yeah, we can make it through there. Watch out for poison ivy. There's poison ivy everywhere. We have to go through those branches. I'm not going this way. Poison ivy, big old leaves of poison ivy here, man. Yeah, we make it through here. Like I said, watch out for the poison ivy. There's right here as well. Whoa, here's the bridge. Oh. We can barely make it under this bridge, dude. Woohoo! You said lower than me. I think you're lower than me. Ah. Uncontrolled spillway. What does this thing say here? Violent turbulence, strong current may exist. Extreme caution must be used in this area. I think we're okay. I think we're fine. Trash can. We know it's pretty deep there. Yeah, I'm going around that tree too. I don't think I'm going to make it. Oh! White water. Come on, there's nobody in there, right? Looks like somebody was probably camping out here, maybe, you think? Wow. Uh-oh, watch out, watch out! I see it, I see it. I see it. Time. Yeah? Looks like a channel over there. Or is it right? Over by the bridge. Things that make you go, I don't see any channel. Hey, don't get stuck over there, dude. Yeah, what's going through the bridge? This is a long channel though. This is, I don't know, man. Oh, Daniel, I don't know, man. You okay? You okay? I'm coming. in the boat. Believe me, it was a trial. But we're getting ready to go. We're stuck here in the woods. We're not quite sure where we are. We're gonna go tree to tree and gotta get out of here. Alright. Okay, man. Oh yeah, it was underwater. It was underwater. It was on a long time. Okay, here we are. We're at a flooded out park. We think we have found the way back to the river. And thank God we're safe and we're heading toward the river. Exit. It says exit. Yeah, this is the river. Hey, we're back in the river. Woohoo! We found the river. Hey. We found the river. Hey, man. Alright. We found the river. I'd say we're probably a third of the way there. Got a spill, got through it. Moving along at real good speed again. Let's see what's around the next corner. The river speed's picking up. I hear white water, dude. Alright. Walk around the bridge. Daniel's ready to go. Get back in the boat. Woohoo! Real danger, real danger. That's about the biggest ass poison ivy I've ever seen. Look how big this poison ivy is, man. It's a big ass leaf. Perfect, man. We're on Easy Street, man. We're definitely on Easy Street. I don't know what we were thinking about when we came by that armory. Yeah, we kept saying spillway, so I don't know what the hell they were talking about, spillway. But that tricked us and we ended up in the backwater. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what we were thinking. We got tricked by the spillway. But here we're on Easy Street. We're on Easy Street, dude. Look at this river. Might as well be on the current river, except it's kind of muddy. See if we can recognize anything. I don't recognize anything here. Well, I think we're past Las Colinas. Man, what an awesome day. That's freaking fantastic. You're a good man, Daniel. You're a good man. You came out good, dude. Here we are. 114. There goes the dart. We just missed dart. Dallas city limit. Woohoo! man. Let's make sure we have a place to pull around if you're gonna stand up, man. Or you'll be floating the wall in the water. Let me get it on film. It's all yours. All right, now you gotta pee. This is, what is this? Is that a spillway? On top, they got a hose? Oh, it's a hose, yeah, it's where the hydraulics go. So it goes to that dumpster and brings it over to this side. Maybe there must be a road over there. But why would they bring it over here to dump it in the river? What would they pick up here? There's no road. You think the road runs this close to the... It's all weird. Damn, weird for a minute. I thought it was a spillway. A weird grabber too, man. Even the grabber looks weird. The arm. Well, I'm going left, man. I'm going left. No, I think I'll hang right. Man, check out this guy here. No shit, man. Uncontrolled spillway. Well, let's just take it easy. Maybe it's so high the spillway it's nothing, you know? Yeah. Yeah, the water's too high. It's a peligro. Corrientes de agua fuertes. Agua strong. Currents turbulent. Yep, that would be the Sterling. That would be 35, huh? You think so? We can go check it out then. Yeah, it's one of the major thoroughways across. I think it's the first one on the west side. I think so. Maybe even 4. Here we are. We're paddling. We think we're going to go by that bridge. And the thing from over there, as you can see, there's not much current here, dude. So we got to paddle. Alright. Next stop, train bridge. You'll know the name of this bridge is a railroad bridge. There's one on the back side. We're in the current again. We're out of paddling in that slow ass lake back there. Looks like we might get some rain. Should make the story interesting. Here we are. Park's all flooded out. Football field's under. Woohoo! Dallas skyline. Like I said, I voted for this. This should be like Central Park, man. Better than Central Park. No city in the United States would have this. It'd be amazing. I voted for it. All I got was a little bridge. Looks like we took the lazy river again. You know, I think that looks like a lot of water, dude. I'm thinking we should have hung a right, like you said. Alright. 2 forks met. I don't know whether the Elm Fork beating the Trinity or what. But the 2 met, and now we're just moving along at a good clip. No paddling. I must say, we're about a half a mile, maybe a mile from where we're going to land. And it's been a heck of a trip. I went to drink, got lost, lost more than that. That's all good. Got the sun at her back. Missed the rain. I would like the rain. The rain would have been fun. Mr. D-Man, you missed it, dude. I think what they're called neutrons or newts or something like that. They're kind of basically a muskrat. Otter beaver, muskrat, one of those things, but not exactly. They're fatter, kind of a cross between a beaver. They're kind of fatter. Yeah, I think it's more like a muskrat or a half beaver. I think they call them neutrons. Whoever came up with a name like that. I've seen them in Bachman. I just stepped in one of those. Freaking G and freaking nuts floating down there. Wow. Bunch of flotsam around in there and with freaking crap on it. Cool beans. Yeehaw. Come on, too, man. There you go, dude. Victory! Did it? We're safe. Cool beans. You missed it, Dakota!